Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. This is your buddy Crypto Prophet, and today we are going to be taking a hard look at BEPRO network. This is one of those coins that we have been following for a little while. We do believe there is still a lot of potential behind BEPRO. I think it will take a few days, a few weeks before we see a massive spike. However, a lot of people have been looking for gaming sort of coins. They understand that gaming coins are very big right now. A lot of hype around them. Right now we have the market cap at $39.7 million. The volume in the last 24 hours is at a very low 10.5 million, and we have a circulating supply at that 1.8 billion BEPRO. BEPRO is definitely one of those that you got to take a look at and put on your watch list, and at least, have it there so you can buy the huge dip. Obviously, we actually just saw a dip recently. If you go to the last week span, we see a negative 20% decrease. All of the market has been kind of hurting most of this end of the week at the very least. Right now we see it at that 0.0217, but earlier this week we saw it go all the way down to 0.0198 and even lower at times. So this is one of those coins that it really does have a big potential, and because of that, you're going to have a lot of people kind of hating on it as well as loving it. So this is, like I said, one of those coins you definitely want to take a look at. Keep it in your watch list. We saw a massive increase here when we came up to it March 14th. We saw it go all the way up to that insane 4-cent mark. Right now we're seeing it about halved right now, and because of that, I think it's a great time to buy in. I think BEPRO is one of those long-term coins that will turn into something very soon, and obviously when the BEPRO network itself comes out, it's going to be massive. I really do believe that. Remember guys, always do your own research. I will never be a financial advisor. I will never do financial advice for you. So remember guys, this could be huge, but you're going to have to do your own research. So before we actually get into the price prediction itself for the end of March, April, and 2021, let's take a look at the actual website itself. So build the future of DeFi gaming. 10 plus public products, 50 plus products using infinite possibilities. You can join the community, blog, and then obviously soon they have the network, and then you can obviously contact them as well. They have the trusted by these great companies at the middle of the webpage. They have Chainlink, Polka Markets, Anchor, which we just talked about on this channel, as well as Moonbeam and Elrand. These are trusted companies, and that's very big to have companies like this trusting you, because these guys have a lot of respect, and they wouldn't put their name with something they don't believe in as well. So for business and ideas of all sizes, so the code base for Gaming 3.0, robust libraries, decentralized, build anything, change fast, and be scalable. And then they have all networks built on Ethereum, Polkadot, or Binance chain with existing infrastructure. So there's a lot to this coin itself. Obviously, you can see here at the top that the network is coming soon. It is not here quite yet. I think when the network comes, that is about when, or at least an announcement of when the network is coming, I think will boost BEPRO up quite a bit. I think a lot of people are going to be jumping on the train for at least a short-term turnaround, and that is when a lot of us holding BEPRO for a while will really benefit from that increase. Obviously, your access to the network, stake BEPRO to access the network. Imagine being paid to use a product, and obviously that is coming soon, and that's going to be very cool as well. If you continue down, you can see how it works. BEPRO token model. BEPRO's token economy is built around the BEPRO token, a utility token that enables token holders to set up applications on BEPRO, participate in the network, and earn token rewards by staking and providing value. Some of our backers, you can also read more about some of their backers, and you can start using BEPRO here and contact them to do so. Obviously, I always suggest taking a look at the FAQ. So I clicked the FAQ at the very bottom, and you can learn more about their integrations, their esports, add-on free currency, bonus systems, and more and more and more. So definitely take a look at that before buying anything related to cryptocurrency. Take a look at all of the research available to you. We will quickly go to Koinly.com and actually do a brief look at our sponsor today in quick 30 seconds. So crypto tax reports in under 20 minutes. Koinly calculates your cryptocurrency taxes and helps you reduce them for the next year. Simple and reliable. Available in 20 plus countries. Free report preview. And obviously you get that Form 8949 TurboTax, and you can calculate your taxes and view sample reports right away. If you continue down, you can actually see how Koinly simplifies your taxes, easily imports your taxes and your trades very easily and preview your capital gains. You can actually watch the video there as well. And then you can download your tax documents as well. And obviously, they have a lot of people satisfied with their service and how they continue to make people happy. And you can actually go to their popular questions at the very bottom of their webpage and learn more about Koinly. I do have a link to Koinly in my description. I believe I will pin it to the comments as well. So if you want to use Koinly for your taxes, make sure to use my affiliate link. It'll help you guys. It'll help me. It'll definitely support this channel. And Koinly, it definitely seems like a great place to do your taxes. And I plan on using it this year or at least next year for my taxes, as I have already began my crypto tax report. Thank you guys for looking at Koinly with me. Let's take a look now at the BEPRO price chart for the end of March, April in 2021. Right now, we saw it, like I said, at that 0.0217. Let's give it a refresh, see if we see anything different. It went down just a tad. Obviously, not a big decrease there. If we look at the last 24 hours, it actually made its way all the way up to that 0.0244. I think BEPRO is going to be one of those coins that does take a little bit to gain steam, but as it does, I think people will start investing in it and believing in it, looking more into it, and as the network is announced, huge things are going to happen, I believe, for BEPRO. I think BEPRO is ending March around that 2 to 3 to 4 cent range. However, April will be absolutely massive. I think BEPRO, hopefully an announcement for the network itself comes in April, and we see BEPRO reach that 40 to 50 cent mark. I really do think it's possible. I'm not saying it's going to happen in April. However, I do think it has potential to reach a 40 to 50 cent mark in April. I do believe BEPRO, though, however, will be a 15 to 20 cent coin in April. By the end of April, I do see an all-time high of about 15 to 20 cents, and obviously a stabilization, hopefully around that 12 to 15 cent range at the very least. Going into the end of 2021, I think BEPRO, obviously depending on projects and updates and how they go specifically for the BEPRO network, we could see BEPRO network being a 40 to 50 cent coin for sure. Like I said, it had potential in April. It does. It really does. It depends a lot on that network and when it comes out. Hopefully they release some more details very soon. But the BEPRO network really does have a chance of getting to that 40 to 50 cent mark and much, much more. I think this could be another kind of Decentraland where we see it, at such a low level. We understand the potential, but not a lot of people are investing in it right now. And I think that's a very big mistake by a lot of people. And we will see here, I guess, by the end of 2021, we'll look back at BEPRO and we'll see if I made a smart decision to invest or not. So I do think at the very least it will stay steady for the time being, at the very least, until we get that network. I think it'll stay steady, and then at the network drop, we're going to see a very big increase. So that is going to be my price prediction on BEPRO. If you guys have any thoughts or additional thoughts on BEPRO, let me know in the comments below. And then obviously tell me if you guys agree or disagree with my price prediction. Do you think it's possible that we see BEPRO reach that 50 cent mark by the end of April or just 2021? Or do you think it's not even possible that we see BEPRO reach above 5 cents? Is there something, that you think I'm missing? Or, let me know in the comments. It's always great to read what you guys think and, your thoughts on the coin that I'm taking a look at in the video. So if you guys do appreciate this kind of content, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on so you can get notified every time I make a new video. I really do appreciate all the support. You guys have been amazing, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks again, guys.